Oh man, shit just got real finally. We at sea after 2 days on the dock. We couldn't quite make it to Lithuania because of the weather conditions. So now we're heading to Riga, Latvia. We're going to be 3 days at sea, and it's really insane because I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. We heard that everybody will get sick at some point in time, that everybody got their own wave, and once the wave hits you, they say basically just let it go, man. Just let it barf over the water and just let it go. As soon as you let it go, the better it is. So here we are on the bay. We're just living. We haven't even hit the water, the ocean yet. So we're still in the Polish bay called Gdansk, and we're just living right now. In a couple of minutes, though, what's going to happen is this. Let me show you. So we have to get these sails up. We learned a couple of days ago how to operate them, and I don't know. This shit is gigantic. And we're gonna have to basically just make sure that we let this whole thing just rise up so we can pretty much sail.
Yeah, that's right.
What's up, gents?
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Yeah.
What's good? What's good?
Yeah. Yes, it's
Look at this. It's crazy.
You can actually.
Ona wejdzie stały, wiesz, tak jak teraz będzie miał, ona wejdzie w jeden sekund. Jeżeli nie będzie pofalowania, tak jak będzie tak jak teraz, halka do
So we all got these crazy harnesses, basically. And what it is that if you're about to fall in the water, just hook yourself to something so you don't get in the fucking water, yo. I got fucking 2 of these. I ain't motherfucking going in the water. So I'm ready for battle. 3 days at sea. I'm not sure exactly what's gonna happen. Like, this is gonna be interesting, but it is what it is, yo. It's an experience. Fucking blockchain on a fucking sailboat. That's what's up. It's on the cracking, yo. Here's the captain working hard. Don't fail us, man. Don't fail us. You have our lives on your hands. Please don't fail us, bro.
What's really good, man? We don't really know. We just see what's up. We put those sails up, and hopefully there's some wind so we can actually get to Riga. Because I don't know if we got enough fuel. so like we really like. We got no idea what's gonna happen, but we got 3 days to reach the next spot, which is my hometown, Riga. So yeah, it's gonna be fun either way, that's for sure. Hopefully everybody knows how to swim, just in case anything happens. But you know, touch wood.
I got my harnesses ready. I was telling them. The way the harnesses work is like this. Let me show you. We got these things. And you gotta basically just hang on in there, and then you can save your life so you don't fall your ass, especially when you gotta puke. When you gotta let it go, you gotta hang yourself so you can just go over the water and let it go. And you see the folks out here getting ready with their life vests. This shit is real, yo. It's real out here, man. If you don't know how to swim, it's over. It's a wrap. Alright, but let me give him more tour and give him a little. Let me go see the captain.
Because of the invasion, I think all
The captain is nervous. Sorry. How you doing?
Guys,
yeah, no problem. No problem.
When you shoot the job, walking up, there's a few different like variables. How many runs?
Evo.
Man, it's wild out here, yo. I haven't been able to sleep for like a week since last Thursday, since I left San Francisco. Right now we're in the middle of the Baltic Sea, heading to Riga, the capital of Latvia. This is insane right now. We haven't been able to work. The internet is out. We don't have satellite, whatever actually we're supposed to do. No Stack Overflow, no coding. As simple as that. No Stack Overflow, you don't do none, man. Yeah, so we're trying to head out there. It's just kind of crazy. We're going to be in Latvia in like 2.5 days. It's Thursday today. We're supposed to get there on a Saturday morning. We were supposed to go to Lithuania, but the weather was so bad we kind of skipped that and went straight to Latvia basically. And now I don't know what's happening, man. The breakfast this morning was actually insane. We couldn't even fucking eat the food. All the fucking plates flew out the table. And now it's just like chaos. Everybody's trying to hide in their cabins and trying to sleep. At nighttime, you hear the waves like crash on your window, and then the water just rocks you. But you can actually go to sleep a little bit because you're a little bit nervous as to what's going to happen if you go to sleep. This is insane. It's crazy out here, man. But we're doing it though, man. Adventure. Always live to have a story to tell. I could always tell my kids that the time I sailed to the fucking Baltic Sea, headed over to Scandinavia, trying to figure out a way to tie in the blockchain and healthcare. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Tilts on the side, the water comes in the boat. This morning we couldn't even like eat breakfast, but I feel even worse for the chef. She couldn't even put our breakfast together. This was too much. Look at the water, like I had to sleep like this at night, which is actually insane. We're in the cabin below and we can hear the water just like it's smash on the windows at nighttime. And when you sleep, the water kind of rocks you just like this. We're in the middle of the Baltic Sea, headed over to Latvia, Riga, and we'll be there in 2.5 days on Saturday morning. Today is Thursday. So we have like 2 more days at sea like this. I don't know what's gonna happen. I wanted to show you guys how rough it's been at sea. If I don't have these things, I'll be in the water for sure. So I gotta walk around with them everywhere I go. Look, it's been so rough. Man, we sailed over 3 days, 72 hours and 3 nights. And finally made it to Riga, Latvia, in one piece. Oh my God, man. I'm gonna have to just write a book or something because this is a story to tell. But we made it though, in one piece. The boat made it in one piece. And it's amazing. Today we'll be here. We're gonna sleep here till tomorrow on the cabins. And then tomorrow, we are heading over to Stockholm on that bigger boat. I think it's like a cruise line or like a ferry. And word on the street is there's a festival on there called the Dark Waves or something festival. And yeah, it's supposed to be popping. We'll see what happens. Man. We finally made it to Riga, Latvia. After a few nights of trouble on the sea, on the Baltic Sea. I thought I would never see land again. But here we are, man. It's a beautiful day in Riga. We're gonna be here for like another, maybe 2 days before we head to Stockholm, Sweden, on a ferry, I believe. And word on the street is it's supposed to be like some kind of festival on the ferry itself. I don't know how we're supposed to do some work while being on a ferry with the festival happening. But we'll see, man. I don't think there's gonna be any code gonna be written over the next couple of days. But it is what it is. So here we are, man. We're in a dock over at in Riga right now. That's what it looks like. It's crazy. We made it. It's almost like building a startup. That's what they told us. You go through so many trials and tribulations just to get to the destination. But we made it though, right? Look at it now. It's beautiful. It looks like nothing ever happened. And there were some nights on the ship where I was like, man, we ain't gonna make it. We're not gonna make it, man. But we're here though. What's crazy this time though is that we got here and I totally forgot that there was a Bitcoin conference in Riga called the Baltic Honeybadger Conference. And pretty much everybody from San Francisco is here. A lot of people that I want to actually talk to are here. So we don't have tickets, but we're going to see if we can maybe like crush the conference because I think it's about like half a mile from here. But we have to be back at 6 o'clock because of a dinner that we have to attend, and we can't really miss that dinner. But we'll see if maybe some folks from San Francisco can like sneak us in the conference because we ain't gonna try to pay that goddamn whatever how many euros they want for the door. We like some entrepreneurs, man. We ain't got that fucking money, man. We're just trying to make it happen. So yeah, let us in. Put us in the game, coach. My skin is all dry. I don't have no lotion. You know how they do with the TSA. They fucking take your bottles of lotion. I'm looking like goddamn near elephant skin right now. My shit just cracking, but whatever, man. They can't stop us. It's crazy, man. Like a couple days ago when I started like shooting videos, it took me such a long time to basically point the video to myself. It was just difficult, man. I'm like, man, these YouTubers make it seem so simple. It is so crazy when you have the video just like fucking facing at you. And I look at myself, my goofy ass on the screen, you know what I'm saying? Unshaven, straight from the sea, yo. Rocking the Trace Ride joint, you know what I mean? Hey, man, we keep hiking, man. That's what we do. I mean, not the white hat, though, white hat.
What are these letters?
Brain.
So it's brains just with double I.
Yep. That's the one, man.
Okay, that's cool.
Yo, we just got here. They wouldn't let us in the Baltic Honeybadger. I miss you was going
sometimes, man.
We
had to try.
We had to try, man. They wouldn't let us in this motherfucker, bro.
Man, we gotta come prepared next time.
I agree, man.
Yeah, you need to get on this YouTube thing, right? Like you're filming me right now. You need to start publishing regularly so we can earn our press pass, right? And apply early, right? Because we still got
I agree, man. I agree. That's the only problem, man. You know, look at it, man. Let me see these. Man, we made it all the way out here, bro. They won't let us get in this motherfucker, man. Security is tight. Yeah, they say unless we got a badge, we can't be getting this joint, man. But it is what it is. So we came to the Baltic Honeybadger Conference in Riga. It just happened to be right next to the port where we boarded at, and then they wanted us in. We tried, but there's nobody.
So close, it was like 15-minute walk.
15-minute walk,
port,
yeah.
Right?
15-minute walk, man. But we just can't get in, man. They won't let us in this place, bro. I don't understand. Yeah. How is this possible? We gotta talk to someone, man.
It's sold out, so I guess.
My man, you look like you're a person of power, man. Can you get us in the conference, man?
I wish I could, man. I wish I could do something. What
Man.
they say? They can't buy anything online anymore?
Sorry, guys.
Oh, sorry.
No. Can't buy it online, and could have bought now on the day paying cash, but it's a little bit too much because we actually
we're entrepreneurs, man. Tomorrow to Sweden.
On a ship, we just literally sailed here
On
from Gdańsk in
Yeah,
Poland,
like literally.
on a sail ship with this incubator that we got in. So it was just an awesome experience, but it just coincided with this weekend here in Riga.
Yeah, we saw it because we like on the other side of those buildings. We were like, maybe we can make it in here, but then it just didn't happen. So I don't know. You know, they say, nah, if you don't want to.
Well, next year, come back. It's a fucking great.
Yeah,
it's
just
the best Bitcoin conference.
Yeah.
Really?
For sure,
Yeah.
man. We just gotta buy early and just get those early bird tickets.
Talk to people that come out tonight. You guys can
even
party
get a
with some
press pass,
Bitcoiners.
yeah.
You
Some
guys down to
Bitcoiners.
party?
Well, we're definitely down for it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, where's
the party at? Is it here?
I mean, you just talk to people. There are a lot of Bitcoin celebs here.
Yeah. Tone. Hey, yo, what's the tone? Get this in, bro.
What's up, man?
Yo, we just sailed here, bro. We just sailed in this joint. We're trying to get in this joint, man. They want. What's good?
I'll see you guys in 1 second.
All right, for sure. Yo, let's see if you can.
Let's see what we can
If we can save, man, because I know he's a person of power, like.
Right. That's what matters, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna have to like maybe get head back pretty soon, though.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know how we're gonna finagle our way in this conference, because this actually doesn't quite work like San Francisco. They don't really.
Yeah.
You can't just slide in the conference. You know what I'm saying? They're like, no, this is Europe, bro. You don't do that shit. You know what I'm saying? The Bitcoin community here is kind of tight. But you know what? When you're national, man, we're some celebrities, man. We're gonna just get in this joint. This is what we do, man. You know, we got the shades on. Looking.
It's all about the style.
It's all about the style, man. I see some other YouTubers behind us. Man, you ain't got nothing but like 4 followers, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, the conference is just right here. We made it, man. But they won't let us in this motherfucker, man. Unless we give them some cash. We're some entrepreneurs. We're not trying to do that right now. So let's see. I see Mr. Tone Vase over here. I'm trying to see if we can maybe finagle some tickets. Oh, we're in Riga, yo. We're in Riga, son. When they ask us, we tell them, hey, we out here, yo. Let's go, man.
Let me take this off.
Yeah, yep. Just tell them where we are and what's popping, man. That's all.
What's popping? All right.
Let's go. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I am Tone Vase. I am here in Riga, Latvia for the Bitcoin Honeybadger Conference, one of the top events for real Bitcoiners, the toxic maximalists as they like to call us. This is where all of us are going to be hanging out for a couple of days, listening to some awesome presentations that I'm looking forward to going back to hearing.
It's awesome, man. Appreciate your Tone.
Thanks, man.
That's what's up. Let me record some part of this Riga, man.
Oh yeah. Right, Riga?
Yeah, this is beautiful. First time, yes.
I was born here. So it's my city, but I just not been here much lately.
Yeah. This is crazy, man. Man, this is why also I like just connecting with people, man. Look at that. This is the love we get out here. This is amazing. It's love. It's love.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.